My baby love, my baby love.
You left the lights on and now we're stranded in this parking lot.
We are survivors, we're gonna make it, gonna work.
So you making out with anybody?
Sometimes.
You like her?
Not especially.
You should try it sometime.
Mm-hmm.
Liking the person that you're with.
I just don't see that happening.
Really? Has it really never happened? You've never liked the person you've been...
What? I'm a robot.
You're not a robot.
Clearly not a family trait. You faller and lover.
Get my heart stomped on all the time. Her.
Must be nice.
Yeah, well, it's not hard. You just have to be willing to be...
I can't. It's not that I don't want to. I just can't make myself. Isn't it just supposed to happen?
I can't make you love me if you don't.
And do you notice how no one's ever seeing my side of the story? Like what it's like to have someone standing in front of you, just telling you how much they love you, and you just...
It's like with a boombox over their head.
Yeah, okay. Imagine someone's outside your window with a boombox over their head, and you're upstairs hearing the song, and nothing. You feel nothing, always, every time. And you're just jealous of the guy on the ground for feeling something.
That'd be a dumb movie.
Exactly.